Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix app not available in your country. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store, and then once you are here, tap on the option that says Today right here. Now tap on your profile icon that is shown on the top right corner of the screen. Now once you are here, what you need to do is simply log into your account. So tap on your Apple account. Now you will need to log in with your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Now once you are here, what you need to do is simply tap on the option that says country or region. Now on tapping it, here you will find the option that says change country or region. Simply tap on it and then select the country that you want, and then once done, all you gotta do is go back and then tap on the search bar, enter in the name of the app, and then simply download the app. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.